before the motor starts running, we're out aboard the slipaway. Got the sail up, and Jenny is all on, ready to get going out into Nantucket Sound. Sailing for the mouth of the Seapuit here. Nice little beetle cat over here underway. The wind's picking up nicely. Cut back in a little bit later. Alright, we're out on Nantucket Sound here. Little chop. Brothers at the tiller, I've been taking it out to this we seeing those channel markers yet? We gotta be coming up on it. We gotta be seeing the sticks pretty soon too. That's got to be it, Gary. See no stupid channel markers.
Guess what? I see the rock.
See ya?
Right there. About 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I see it. That's something you do not want to run into right there. Yeah, I don't know why in the world they don't mark that silly thing. At least we see it, so we can't run into it.
That's good that all people on the shoreline,
Yeah.
it's like entertainment tonight. They all got binoculars on down.
So,
They go, Fred, quick, there's a boat headed right for it, come on. It's a blue sailboat. You guys look like a couple of farmers from Vermont.
it's shallow here, Gary.
Yeah, way too shallow.
We're back inside after coming in through the channel. Back in Cotuit Harbor. Just a tad bit calmer in here. Gary and I, a long time ago, took the old slipway here up Eel River, off from West, is it West Bay? Yeah, off from West Bay. And we pulled up into this little inlet and just basically pulled, almost beached her because it was incoming tide. We got out and we started clamming, and we were perfectly legal, but I mean within, what was it, 10 minutes from the time we pulled up, here came a game warden, you know, in his old putt-putt and checking licenses, and thankfully my brother had a license, so we were legally digging clams. But yeah, I mean that I don't think that hardly ever happens, but man, he saw us pull up there and he was right on us in no time with the, you know, checking the clamming license.
We've been clam diggers ever since.
Yeah. This is what makes sailing wonderful. It's just, it is peaceful beyond belief.